Good evening friends, I am Abhijit and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel AceFin. Today we will be discussing about how Nifty and Bank Nifty have performed today, that is 9th of March Wednesday, and how Nifty and Bank Nifty can perform tomorrow, that is 10th of March Thursday. Before we go to Nifty and Bank Nifty, let's look at the global indices. If we talk about the European indices, just a second, uh, the page is gonna load. Yes. So talking about the European indices, all the European indices are trading firmly in green. If we talk about the European indices, Germany, France and UK all are trading in red. In fact, the Germany and France are trading above 4%. So these indices are very bullish as of now. However, UK is trying to pick up. FTSE 250 is up by 3%. FTSE 100 is also picking up the race. However, if we talk about China, the last trading session closed in red, and US also closed in slightly red, but I would say the US indices can easily recover. The fall is not that much. If you go to the FII data for today, FIIs were net sellers. They have sold 4,818 crores, and DIs were net buyers. They have bought 3,275 crores. If we go to Nifty on a 1 day chart, it seems like the Nifty is trying to go up and it has formed a bullish candle once again. It has filled the gap which was pending. Now the Nifty opened at 16,078 and made a high of 16,418 and closed at 16,345. Now we need to see how Nifty can go tomorrow as per the levels. If you go to the 15-minute chart to understand the price action, so today it was a perfectly bullish momentum for Nifty. Only in the first candle we can see it touched the low of 15,990, and after that it was a complete upwards rally and Nifty closed at 16,345. In fact, the people who have shorted the Nifty could not get even time to exit the market. If we talk about the SGX Nifty is somewhat trading flattish. It is trading at 16,364, around 20%, 20 points higher. This is not much as of now. We need to see how SGX Nifty will trade tomorrow. So for tomorrow, if we open flat to gap up, then the first resistance would be at 16,420, which was the resistance given to you in the video. These are the resistances level which are being respected by the markets multiple times. I would request everyone to check my previous videos. In this video, I'm again saying 16,400 to 420 will act as a resistance. If we open flat, then the second resistance would come at close to 16,480 to 16,500, and the next would be at 16,600 to 16,620. If we open gap down and we start moving downward, then the first support range would be at 16,250, the second would be at 16,180 to 16,200, and the last would be at 16,080 to 16,100. So tomorrow we can expect a volatile expiry, because generally on the expiry days we see both side movement because positions are closed. If you go to the option chain, we are at 16,350, and here we can see a lot of call writers have started closing their positions. The people who were at 16,000, 16,100, 16,200, they have closed their position in losses, and look at the level of premium which has increased significantly. Nobody was expecting this kind of bullish move by Nifty. As of now, on the put writing zone, 16,000 will definitely act as a major hurdle, and it will act as a support. However, before 16,000 comes, there are multiple support levels. 16,200 is also developing as a good support level, and then 16,100. So definitely these are going to be the support levels for tomorrow. Talking about the call writing zone and the resistance, the maximum resistance which we can expect tomorrow is 16,500. If this is crossed, then definitely 16,600 will come up. Here also we need to see how market reacts. Market is in a bullish momentum, so we need to be cautious, and tomorrow is expiry, it can be volatile. If we talk about Bank Nifty is still trying to figure out and cover the pending gap. However, the bullish candle has been formed on Bank Nifty as well. If we go to the 15 minutes chart to understand the price action. So today what happened, we opened slightly gap up and then a low was formed which was of 32,948, and from there it was a complete upward rally up to 33,850. However, the high was 33,969. Now for bank nifty, if we open gap up, the first resistance would be at 34,000, the second would be at 34,120, and the third would be at 34,400. If we slide and go for a gap down, then the first support would be at 33,500 to 33,550, second would be at 33,250 to 33,300, and the last would be at 32,850 to 32,870. Talking about the option chain levels, 33,800, here we can see good number of call writers have closed their positions, so definitely market will stay bullish. Talking about the put writing, good amount of put writing is happening at 33,500 and then at 33,000. If we talk about the call writing zone, good amount of call writers are here, but these call writers are not having conviction. Bank nifty can shoot up to 34,500, and here also call writers have started closing their positions. So as of now the banks are looking strong. So that's all for today's video, friend. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you want live market updates and stock recommendations, do follow my Telegram channel. Link will be given in the description below. Thank you.